Danger, danger, my people. Today is the last chance in 2024. If you want to file for EB-1A talent visa to get the most chances of approval. This video is going to be about that, and at the end of this video you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your EB-1A case. Let's go! Hello my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. We are talking about EB-1A visa and the chances of getting that approved in 2024. But before that, let's take a step back and remember, what is EB-1A visa? This visa is a green card for you and your family, your wife or your husband, and your kids below 21 years old for your achievements in your industry. And I know a lot of you guys like, oh Stanislav, I don't have Oscar, I don't have Nobel Prize, I'm not anyone, I'm just doing my work good and I'm a good professional. Exactly! Because all we need to have is that you are being a very good professional in your field. And that should fall within the 10 criteria of EB-1A. We need to prove at least 3 out of the 10. We need to show that you achieved the level of competence in your field and that your coming to the US is going to be beneficial. And of course, my team and myself, we all work to achieve these results. Contracts with my corporation, when you start working on your case, is for 6 months. And out of these 6 months, 5 months, we are working with you on description of your case. Stanislav, I got everything that I need, I can file tomorrow. Never happened. I've heard this so many times and never happened. The maximum I got to see the readiness of the case was probably 10% max. When somebody was saying, hey, it's all ready. Why? Why is this happening? Well, this is misunderstanding because having the documents and recognition and achievement is only a small part of the case. The biggest part of the case is descriptive part. The documents that actually describe, by my methodology, your achievements, your recognition. And that takes a very laborious and a specific process that you will be going through for the 5 months, with deadlines, with a very good strategy that you will receive already at the complex immigration planning right after the free evaluation, right? You have the strategy, you have the team, you have the templates, you have the examples, you have all the resources, PR agencies, business consultants, accountants if you want, and you have to provide all the documents within these 5 months. 1 month, the 6th one, I'm taking to draft the memorandum. The memorandum is the legal document to summarize the descriptive documents in your petition. And this document could be up to 150 pages, so it's huge, okay? So it takes a lot of time. Then the designer beautifully organizes the petition. Then we print it out and send it with a courier to the USCIS overnight, and within 2 weeks you're getting the approval with a more than 90% chances. What do you need to do to get the highest chance of approval for your petition? And this is actually pretty easy. You need to time your filing properly. You need to file your petition in September of 2024. And I guess some of you like, oh, I know, Stanislav got his natal map prepared because the Mars and Jupiter are going to be lining up and bam, 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 the chances are the highest. No, I'm not like that. I don't believe in this. I believe in hard work, okay? So the reason why in September you're going to get the highest chances of approval, because it's going to be the end of fiscal year for USCIS. The beginning of the new fiscal year is October 1st. What it means? That means that every fiscal year USCIS gets 40,000 green cards that can possibly be approved for this fiscal year. Rarely. I remember maybe 1 year throughout my long career when all of them were exhausted, okay? So they were like, okay, we gotta take them from the next year, okay? But it doesn't happen. It happens really rarely. So most of the times, they have, Lord knows, 5,000, 4,000, a couple of thousand visas that are stuck in this fiscal year. And by law, if they don't use them, and they is USCIS, they have to re-roll them in EB-2 category. And USCIS doesn't want to do this. Why? Because even a weaker case, an EB-1 category, is going to be stronger and higher, better quality of a person than for EB-2. And guys, I don't say it in no disrespect, okay? No disrespect, because I know some people in EB-2, especially in EB-2 and IW, are like much better professionals than EB-1A. But generally, EB-1A is the highest category. USCIS would rather give more green cards to the less stronger cases. I don't want to call them weaker, because there is no weak cases for EB-1A. They're all strong. But some of them more strong, some of them less strong. Less stronger cases in September, when USCIS knows how many visas are left, are getting the most chances of approval. So now let's do the math. You already have more than 90% chances of approval when you work with my team and myself. Let's do the math. April, May, June, July, August, September. If you don't start working on your case right now and follow the process that I developed throughout the years, that was proved with hundreds upon hundreds approvals, you will not be able to file in September. So the time to act is now. Go down below this video. There's a free evaluation link. Fill it out. Answer all the questions. Within 2 days, I will get back to you. And I will let you know if you have a case for EB-1A, if you have a potential. And if you do, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning to build the written winning strategy for your case. And if you do it right now and follow all the steps and then hire myself and my team, we will be filing your case in September and you'll get the most chances out of this thing. And you'll be like, Stanislav, I'm not talented. I'm not Nobel Prize owner. I don't have Oscar. Nobody has it. Okay? No one has it. We need to prove 3 criteria out of the 10. So do it right now. Get your chances. Stanislav, I filled out the green card lottery back in October and I'm waiting for May for my chances. You can wait for your chances, no problem. You're not gonna win. And I'm not saying just to, to hurt you, to hurt your feelings. And I know like nowadays everybody is very, weak and being hurt very easily, being offended very easily. I'm not saying to hurt you. I'm just looking at the reality. You have 0.04% chance to win the green card lottery. With this, with EB-1A, you get a lot more. You have maybe, and filing in September, maybe up to 95%. Okay, this is a lot. And you cannot compare with the diversity lottery. But for those of you, and guys, I'm willing to risk my business processes, my business model for you, so you don't waste your time. For those of you who wait for May to get the results, if you hire my company to work on your case, and if you win and prove it with a letter from US government, I'm gonna refund all your money, everything up to the penny. Okay, even that what you paid for the complex immigration planning. I'm willing to do that so you don't waste your time. Because if you wait for another 2 months, you lose your chances to get approval in September, and more importantly, at least for me, you're wasting your time. You still can get pretty good chance of approval if you file in another month, but you cannot return your time. You cannot get it back, all right? So act right now. First step, free evaluation. Second step, complex immigration planning. Third step is the signing of the contract, the complete case filing. These are 3 steps that will give you all these chances to come to the States and start the new chapter in your life. Smash that like button if you love my content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Instagram, to my Facebook, to my Twitter. All the links are gonna be below this video. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.